These hummingbirds are something else. I'm extremely close. I mean, like, obviously you can see. I think this one right here is fighting them all off. This one right here. Oop. This. He's trying to fight me off. That's a brave little hummingbird right here. A mean one. This is crazy. I've never seen this before. I think it's so important to them because it's really cold lately, and the hummingbird, you know, sugar water is precious right now. Precious resource. These suckers are not scared of me at all. They're desperate for the sugar water. Wow, there's a lot of them. This is the boss right here. The big boss man. This guy is running everybody off. He's even trying to run me off. He ain't scared at all. Look at him running people off. Running hummingbirds off, that is. This is pretty awesome stuff. Best hummingbird video I've made by far. Incredible. Gotta get some pictures here.